Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing the water chemistry and creating habitat. This is how and why it matters. Test pH and alkalinity, then adjust to the target range so microbes and plants thrive. Once done, place plants in marginal and deep zones to outcompete algae. Aim for 30 to 50% surface coverage. Next, install a mechanical skimmer and a biofilter. Set pump flow to turn over the pool every 6 to 12 hours. These steps reduce organic load and establish the ecosystem dynamics you need. Now you focus on biological filtration and sustained circulation. This is the complex core. Assemble layered biomedia so water contacts aerobic surfaces. More surface area means faster breakdown of organics. Once colonized, beneficial microbes consume nutrients that would feed algae, so keep temperature and oxygen stable to favor them. Make sure circulation runs continuously at low flow in warm months, and increase flow briefly when debris spikes to flush solids into the skimmer. These measures maintain clarity by converting waste into harmless biomass. Finish by setting a routine so the system stays resilient. Here's what you do and why. Each week, skim leaves and vacuum settled debris. Backwash filters to restore flow, and each month trim or harvest plants to prevent decay. If the water clouds, spot treat with a flocculant or a low-percentage hydrogen peroxide solution. Use quantities safe for animals, and allow the filter to remove the flock. If algae persist, check phosphate levels, increase plant cover, and consider adding a targeted UV sterilizer. This combination addresses root causes, not just symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.